In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MACD in TradingView. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily and integrate this powerful tool into your chart analysis. If you're unfamiliar with what MACD stands for, it is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator. It's a popular momentum-based tool that traders use to identify potential buy and sell signals. First, let's begin by navigating to the TradingView website. If you've never been there before, TradingView is a fantastic platform that provides charting tools to help you analyze stocks, forex, and cryptocurrency markets. Once you have arrived at the website, the next step is to open your chart. You may already have a specific chart in mind, or you might be looking to explore new opportunities. Either way, pick the chart you want to work with and have it ready on your screen. Now, take a look at the top of the chart interface, where you'll find a series of options that allow you to customize your experience. One of these options is Indicators. Click on it to open a search bar. This search feature is a convenient way to find and add various indicators to your chart. Type MACD into the search bar, and you should quickly see the full name Moving Average Convergence Divergence appear in the list of results. With the MACD option displayed, click on Moving Average Convergence Divergence to add it to your chart. This action will place the MACD indicator directly onto your chart, usually appearing at the bottom in its own separate pane. You'll now see a combination of lines and a histogram that represent the MACD's behavior over time. Once you've added the MACD, you have the option to customize it according to your preferences, enhancing its usefulness to your particular trading style. You may want to adjust the period settings. These determine how sensitively the indicator reacts to price changes. Additionally, it's worth diving into the color settings. Changing the colors of the lines and histogram can make the indicator more visually intuitive and easier to differentiate from other elements on your chart, depending on what works best for your analysis and how cluttered your screen might be. As you adjust these settings, remember to stay focused on clarity and the functionality of the indicator, aligning it with your overall trading strategy and preferences. Experiment with different settings to see what provides you with the clearest signals and integrates best with your other tools. This setup will enhance your technical analysis and decision-making process. That's everything you need to know to successfully add and customize the MACD on TradingView. Once set up, the MACD can greatly enhance your ability to spot trends and momentum shifts in the market, a valuable addition to your trading toolkit.